Alright, this week is a doozy. It is Chrome Music Lab. Chrome Music Lab, designed by Google. It's a bunch of resources. Some of them I will go through in more detail, and some of them I really won't. So, here we go. Chrome Music Lab. musiclab.chromeexperiments.com. You can also just Google it. Comes up, and look at these. You got Songmaker, Rhythm, Spectrogram, Chords, which is actually related to another app that I'll do, Sound Waves, Arpeggios, Kandinsky, Melody Maker, Voice Spinner, Harmonics, Piano Roll, Oscillators, and Strings. Each one of these does different things, so I'm going to start with some of the ones that are fairly simple. This one is trying to demonstrate how harmonics and vibrations work. This is for, it's almost a science thing. Good little visual for understanding the harmonic series. That one. Strings. This is explaining what happens if you block off a string at a certain spot. It's kind of related to the harmonic series one. So far, science. There's another science one. That red line represents the vibration wave. Let's see, this one's oscillator types. Square wave. Sawtooth wave. I'm actually changing that by holding my thumb on the click and dragging my finger around. Triangle wave. Sine wave. Pretty cool. All right, these are this kind of more science-oriented ones. Piano roll. These are great. They actually have tons of these type visualizations for music online on YouTube. These basically give you an idea of how the piano roll, which is a really old invention, used to make Nickelodeons and player pianos play on their own, and like large theater organs and carnival organs and stuff like that. They would cut holes, and the wind would travel through the hole on the other side and would basically pneumatically operate the organ or other instrument. But this allows you to follow without music notation. So I know that sounds really weird what I just said, but basically it gives you a visual example of how the notes are. That's not the dots. One of the biggest mistakes that people have with music is that they think that the dots are the music. The dots represent the music. And it's very important to know how to read those dots, but they represent the sound. It's just like a person who doesn't know how to read or write can still speak if they know words. Their ability to improve at speaking at speaking can expand exponentially. That means really quickly, and a mathematical relationship of growth. They can grow a lot faster if they know how to read and write. So let me press this and you can follow along. I think this is Bach's C major prelude. Yep. You can see the notes are changing. when the notes come back, you'll see the colors return. When they're actually playing, they're black, and then the other colors. But this one, you can actually change to a piano sound, a synthesizer, or the one that my students have figured out is a sample. Ready? La. Beautiful. You can say whatever you want, you know. Pizza. Wow. Endless hours of fun doing that. Okay, so now we go on to, from the piano roll, we jump into Melody Maker, where you get to make your own choices. So you can be like, this is pretty good. That's Melody Maker. Kandinsky we'll do a little bit later. Arpeggios allows you to do like chord-oriented things, but here it is the same player piano type stuff at the top. If you hit the pause button, you can actually just click it. So I like this because you could make a song with this. Like here's Golden Rule. Golden Rule, Golden Rule. Live your life by the Golden Rule. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Live the Golden Rule. Yeah, you can change to a different note, maybe a harp now. Oh, that's piano, sorry. And harp. Put the metronome on. That allows you to change the speed of the arpeggio. So now with this playing, you can do Golden Rule with the arpeggio going. Golden Rule, Golden Rule. Live your life by the Golden Rule. So that's that. Arpeggiator. We'll do this one. This is a big favorite of kids. This spectrogram is it's a spectrogram. You can look up what a spectrogram is and how it works, and they give some examples. You can actually control the pitch with it. So you can either, or you can draw. I got to try to make my examples more fluid. I just always want to make everything sound like R2-D2 is freaking out. Like that, right? So that's the spectrogram. Song Maker is Melody Maker plus drums. Song Maker is Melody Maker plus drums. Press play. Let's see, this one is just the rhythm part of it. And it actually divides it in different ways. So like here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get, press play. 1, 2, 3, 1. Next one is 4. They all have different beat lengths. So this has got 4. The next one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can check all those out. This is just a chord dictionary, which I don't need to spend too much time on. Alright, so then the other two that get a lot of attention, Kandinsky. Just draw it on there. And then, last but not least, the voice spinner. So if I hit record, hello, hello there.
Hello. Hello there. Hello. Hello there. Hello. Hello there.
Backwards.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
And then if you put it right back in the middle, it stops. If you get a little thing on your Chromebook or computer that says, want to be able to use the microphone, obviously with these microphone ones, you have to say yes. I've got this permanently on. So that is Google Chrome Music Lab. Have a good day. Bye-bye.